Methods of solving quadratic equation. So there are three methods are there to solve the quadratic equation. In fact, in previous class, by using hit and trial method, we have done. Just we substituted 2, substituted 3, whether values are satisfied by that equation or not, we checked. But we have a proper methods to find the solutions. Solution by factorization method, solution by completing the square method, solution by formula method. These are the three methods we can use it to solve the quadratic equations. Same problem we will discuss these three methods. Okay, what is it? X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. It is our quadratic equation. First method is factorization method. In fact, you have studied in 8th class. Even though once again we will discuss. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. What are the uses of this method? To extract the x values, to find the x values. First method is factorization method. It is a quadratic equation. We have to divide it into linear expressions. Then easily we can handle the problem. The product of any two values are 0. Then definitely either a equal to 0 or b equal to 0 or both equal to 0. Then only product you get it 0. A you take it 0. 0 into b, 0. B you take it 0. 0. A into 0, 0. A and b, both values you take it 0. 0 into 0, 0. Now our target is this expression we have to change in product of two linear expressions. Okay, by using splitting method. In this process we have to split it middle term. If we are splitting the middle term in proper way, then definitely we will get two linear expressions. How to split it? Minus 5x ni 2 terms గా split చేయాలి మీరు. ఎలా చేయొచ్చు? Minus 2x minus 3x. Can we split like this? Yes, minus 2x minus 3x minus 5x only. Minus 1x plus 6x? No, because you must get it minus 5x. Then what you have to do it? 1x minus 6x. Is this splitting well? Can we? Yes, this is also possible. This is also possible. Like that there are infinitely many possibilities we'll get it. So that's why you must follow some rule. What is that rule? When we are splitting it, add the two terms, must get it the middle term. You product both terms. That must get it the product of x square term and constant term. What is the product of x square term and constant term? 6x square. Now you split it into two terms. That must get it sum is middle term and the product is must get it 6x square. So you take it these two, will get 6x square. Is 1x into minus 6x. Will you get 6x square? No, its value is minus 6x square. So that's why this should not take. So definitely you will get a unique splitting only. Unique splitting ఏ వస్తుంది మీకు. ఆ స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. Now replace minus 5x in place of minus 5x minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Now these are the two terms and these are the two terms. You have to take a x as a common, then you will get it x minus 2. అవునా, ఈ రెండిట్లో x కామన్ తీయండి, you get it x minus 2. 6 is nothing but a 3 2s are, no? So what is the common in both? 3. You take it minus 3 is a common, then x, what is the sign we'll get here? Tell me. Yes, definitely minus, because minus into minus plus. Whatever it may be you do. When we are simplifying it, again must get above step. మీరు ఏదైనా చేయండి, ఆ స్టెప్ రైట్ రాంగ్గా ఎలా డిసైడ్ చేస్తారు? Just you simplify it. You must get it above term. Didn't get? Then your taking common is wrong. నువ్వు ఏదైతే కామన్ తీసేసుకున్నావో అది రాంగ్ అని. సో నవ్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ x minus 2 కామన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ హియర్ స్టిల్ x హియర్ minus 3. x minus 2 into x minus 3 equal to 0. So now the product of two expressions be 0, then first one is 0 or second one is 0. So what is the x value? X value is 2 or x value is 3. Okay, nice. One more problem I am giving you, ready to say. Solve this problem. 2x square minus x minus 6 equal to 0 using factorization method. What is the first step? Splitting the middle term. To split the middle term, how many conditions you must follow? 2 conditions. ఏంటది? యాడ్ చేస్తే మైనస్ ఎక్స్ రావాలి, మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ద ప్రోడక్ట్ ఆఫ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ టర్మ్ 2x square. What is the constant term? minus 6. What is the product? minus 12x square. How to split it? When we add it, minus x must get it. So that's why easily you can understand 4x 3x. మీరు ముందు వీడియో ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ టు ట్రై ఇట్ అండ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫాలో ఇట్, దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ ఎంజాయ్ ఇట్. డెఫినెట్లీ యూ కెన్ ఎంజాయ్. So it is minus 4x plus 3x. Multiply it minus 12x square and add it, will get minus x. And now you say 2x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. 2x you take it common, x minus 2 plus 3 you take it common, x minus 2. So in both x minus 2 you take it common, here you will get it 2x plus 3. Okay. Now product of two expressions is 0, then either x minus 2 equal to 0 or 2x plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to 2 or x equal to minus 3 by 2. So these are the roots of given equation. So some problems by using factorization method.